The Uber app is now available on CarPlay. Let's go over it and see if it's safer. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. So we're gonna go over CarPlay and the Uber app. We're gonna show a side-by-side between the phone and what CarPlay has functionality-wise when it comes to it, how to set it up, how to use it, and what the differences are, as well as my overall thoughts using the CarPlay versus the phone. So let's get right into it. All right, so we got a side-by-side between the phone and the CarPlay. It's not actually hooked up to the car just yet. I'll show you how to do that in just a second, at least for several cars. It might not be for your car, it could be wireless. All you gotta do is just open up the Uber app. Ooh, we got some surge nearby, nice. Now, oh, it just changed too, so a little bit more up there. Oh yeah, hey look, that's what we like to see. All right, but in either event, basically, if you have an iPhone and you scroll up, you will be meted with that new little thing that says Uber has arrived on Apple CarPlay. Enjoy a larger screen for a more hassle-free navigation experience. Essentially, what you can do is when you want to connect CarPlay to your phone, just plug it in as like that. And on mine, it'll just highlight when it's available right there. And then you can see that is the app. We got navigation, so I can zoom out on the map and see exactly what's going on around my area. We got quite a bit of surge because it is 3 o'clock when I'm filming this. So basically, when you want to go on, you just go online. Already got something for trip radar. Here you go. It is now showing you where the ride pickup drop off is on the map. It's telling you it's 10 minutes away, 4.2 miles. You could accept or decline. We're going to decline that as it is just a demo. All right, so we're going to accept this real quick.
Head to your pickup.
All right, then I can hit navigate, do that. It's going to show you the map, turn-by-turn nav. It's also going to show you your arrival time, how far, distance, all that good stuff. Now, here's the thing. If you want to do a lot of functionality within the app, like let's say cancel, because this one I'm not actually going to take, so I'm going to cancel this one right away. Sorry, Roberta. All right, so basically decline. Now I am going to get out of here, stop, go offline. Essentially what you're able to do is accept and deny trips and kind of do your navigation right from the dashboard, right from CarPlay itself. It could see some more functionality going forward, like being able to cancel trips or doing different things within the dashboard on CarPlay itself, but that is why you will still need your phone right nearby. In any event, it's good to see because you have a bigger screen. All right, so all in all, the app is nice to be on CarPlay and have that functionality where you can accept and deny requests, where you can use the navigation through dashboard itself on the infotainment screen versus your phone, so it's a little bit bigger. But when it comes down to it, there is not a lot of functionality because one thing that you don't see on there is the trip radar. You still have to use your phone for that. You can't go online and offline through CarPlay itself. You have to use your phone. There is very limited functionality when it comes down to it, but it is a step in the right direction. I'm sure they will have plenty of new integrations and features in the future, but just being able to accept and deny trips right away in the CarPlay is nice because then I can have another app open and running and I don't have to swipe it between the two apps. So it makes it a little bit easier on my end. But I want to know from you, what do you think about this? Do you think that it's better on the CarPlay screen? Do you like the functionality of being able to accept and deny trips, be able to navigate through CarPlay, or are you going to stick to your phone? And why? And then what other functionality would you like to see on CarPlay that isn't on there currently? Comment below and let us know. Now, if you want to see the differences between driving X and XL on the app, because now I have a new vehicle, then check out this video right here. Also, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified when new videos come out. All right, be safe out there.